Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to color a secret garden coloring book. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You might choose colored pencils for soft blends, or perhaps vibrant gel pens for bold details. Fine-tip markers offer precision for intricate patterns. Find a cozy, well-lit spot where you can relax and focus. Then, simply pick a page that catches your eye and sparks your imagination. We are ready to begin our artistic journey. Now, let's explore some fundamental coloring techniques. Begin by applying a light, even pressure to lay down your first layer of color. This creates a smooth base. To deepen the hue, add several thin layers, building up the intensity slowly. For beautiful, seamless transitions between colors, use small, consistent circular motions. This blending technique will make your artwork look professional and polished. To truly bring your secret garden pages to life, focus on creating depth and detail. Think about where light would naturally fall. Use darker shades in areas that would be in shadow, giving your image a wonderful three-dimensional quality. For a touch of magic, add bright highlights with a lighter pencil or even a white gel pen. Finally, a fine-tip pen can outline intricate elements, making them pop with crisp definition. As you near completion, take a moment to step back and admire your work. Look for any small areas that might benefit from a final touch or a bit more blending. To protect your beautiful creation, you might consider a clear protective spray, which helps prevent smudging over time. Remember, coloring is a journey of discovery. The more you practice, the more your unique artistic style will flourish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.